Alright, so, fuck it. Fuck it, there's not much to this, so I'm just gonna do something here. We're just gonna be playing this for some time being, cause, fuck it, nothing else to do. Alright, let's get playing. The game's called, Mothergunship. Editor, you put like a little tag right there, like right at the corner right there, and just like a little image of the game. Just honestly, glad you have a headset. Buy it. I don't know if it's currently for me is like the price reduced. It's a fun ass game, so let's get playing. Let's go. Let's start beating the piss out of shit.
Dang it, recruit, wake up! Get your tail moving! Pick up a gun part and get out of here. I mean, there should be a gun part there, right? Okay, well, try the next room. Oh, hot dag nabbit on a stick! They found us! Charge up your fists and keep the charge held while you punch explode those critters.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Float like a butterfly, sting like a dump truck. You showed those staple hounds. Oh, hey, look at that, gun parts. Try pulling that connector part to you now. Use your non-firing hand. Connectors may not look like much. All right, barrels. You get to try them all eventually. Maybe even all. Nice! Give it a fire. Hey, not bad.
Shotgun,
Spice that
baby.
up with some special ammo, though. Special ammo do all sorts of fun things to your gun, but they only affect the closest barrel on the gun. Special ammo canisters run out of juice quick, though. You'll have to look for ways to recharge them. All right, get a move on. There are enemies in the next room. I bet they're real angry, too. You probably punch exploded their favorite staple hounds. Well, good luck. Your suit has a lot of options to customize how you fight. Check them out in the options menu. You've been hit. I know there's a lot going on, but don't forget to dodge.
Okay, there's gotta be like a way to fix this. What the? Why can't I move?
Excellent job. Pick a reward and get moving.
Okay, there has to be a way to fix. I'm gonna be trying to fix this. Y'all have fun. And I'm just gonna cut to when I'm.
Did you notice the purple crystals spilling out of the aliens? Alien guts! Nah, I'm just kidding. But that stuff does auto-unlock new things in the HQ.
Oh wait, right. Alright, let's get bitching.
bring that back in the HQ, so you might as well spend it when you get the chance.
Well. Alright, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on!
Some loot can only be collected by destroying the vessel holding it first.
Civil area. Mama! Oh, I can be the heavy weapons man. Yes. 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 Oh, well, I do have to leave this then, so maybe I could just take holding it.
Ah, yes, shops. Spend all your hard-earned money here for new toys.
What should I get? What should I get? I should probably get I should probably get one of you. Because I have more connective options. Along with the shield.
Armor will protect you from damage, but once it's gone, it's gone. Check your wrist to see how your suit integrity is doing.
That should be good for now. Alright then, let's get pounded. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Bring it on! Oh, feck, boss room. Right, I forgot this one thing. Alright, let's get pounding. Alright, let's get pounding.
A skull door. If I recall correctly, that means there's a ton of loot behind that door, right?
on. Da, 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 da. Woo. Oh, fuck. Oh, my head's on way too fucking tight. Oh, thank God that ended quickly. My head was hurting. Huh. You're probably the best. It's like sometimes shoot.
Alright, that's the foundry section cleared. Move on to the next section of the mother gunship.
Alright, let's start pounding some bullets. But yeah, no, it's pretty much the game. It's just it's just fun all around. Hey. What do you do? Yeah, let's get a grenade launcher. I'll put you on that one, and you. Yeah. Well. Ay, ay. Ooh, really bad. You barely do anything. Okay. You're too. You don't have any spread. Yeah, a few I can get a bit more chaotic with the guns. Get a rail gun. Yeah. That way I can either have precision or, the blast. Yeah, I should go ahead and really just buy you. Alright, let's get started. Ooh, I forgot how much of a bullet hell this game was sometimes. Ah, well, I guess I died.
Never give up, Molotov.
Well,
Welcome to
yeah,
your
that was...
home away from home. Let's introduce you to the team.
Hey there, I'm Tech Officer Wilkinson. I keep things running around here.
And I'm Captain Hylas, designated collection master at your service.
Feel free to have a look around. When you're ready, hit the embark button to get back into the battle.
You can see your collection here. You know, check out all the gun parts you've seen and how your progress is going. Good stuff.
Okay, so, yeah, it's been a while since I played this game. And Lord, am I going to enjoy continuing it. Yeah. Well, I guess now is the best time to just clip this here, and I'll see y'all next time. And well, stay weird, y'all. Peace. And remember, I need to start doing it. I need to start like scripting the outro. Good lord. Just just like, hey, just gotta, Okay. Here's an outro. Well, I guess it was a pretty fun game. From what I remember. I'm gonna be playing this a lot more and recording it for y'all since I remember there's like crazy bosses up ahead. So, well, I guess till next time, and remember, stay weird. Peace.